In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up SuiteDash for managing your freelance business so you can stay organized, save time, and streamline your operations. Whether you're handling client communications, invoicing, or project management, SuiteDash can be a powerful tool, but is it the best choice for you? Stick around until the end, because I'm also going to share some better alternatives that might help you reach your business goals even faster. Let's dive right into how SuiteDash works for freelancers. First up, when you create an account with SuiteDash, the setup process is fairly simple. You'll start by customizing your dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access all your tools, including CRM features, task management, invoicing, and more. For freelancers, having everything in one place is key, and SuiteDash does offer that, but be prepared to put in a bit of time upfront to set it up properly. Next, let's talk about client management. One of the most important features for freelancers is the ability to organize your clients and projects. SuiteDash's CRM system lets you create detailed client profiles, add notes, track communication, and even automate follow-ups. While this works fine, it's not as intuitive or user-friendly as some of its competitors, especially if you're just starting out. Moving on to the fourth thing, project management. SuiteDash allows you to create projects, assign tasks, and track deadlines, which is helpful when juggling multiple clients. The interface here is functional, but it can feel a little clunky. Navigating between different sections can take longer than expected, and for freelancers with tight schedules, this can be a bit of a frustration. You'll need to decide if the extra features justify the time spent learning how to use them effectively. Now let's talk about invoicing. SuiteDash does a solid job here by letting you create custom invoices, track payments, and automate reminders. For freelancers, getting paid on time is essential, so having these automation features is a nice bonus. That said, the invoice creation process could be more customizable. It's a bit rigid, and if you're looking for super flexible invoicing options, there are other tools out there that do this better. The sixth thing to consider is SuiteDash's integration options. The platform connects with tools like Google Calendar, PayPal, and others, which is essential if you want to avoid juggling multiple apps. However, SuiteDash doesn't offer as many integrations as some competitors, which could be a downside if you use a specific tool that doesn't sync with it. The seventh and final point, SuiteDash's pricing. While it's more affordable than some project management tools, you're paying for what you get. The features are decent, but if you're a freelancer who needs more advanced tools, you might find SuiteDash lacking in certain areas, especially when compared to other software that can offer more flexibility and ease of use. Now, here's the part where things get interesting. I've mentioned a few areas where SuiteDash could be better, and if you're looking for something that gives you more flexibility, smoother workflows, and better value for your time, there are alternatives to consider. After the video, I'll share a link that gives you an exclusive, extended free trial for one of the top competitors. Not only does it offer a better experience for freelancers, but it also provides some unique benefits that SuiteDash doesn't. You'll get the best deal possible if you sign up through our link, and trust me, it's worth checking out. So if you're a freelancer looking to manage your business efficiently, SuiteDash is a decent choice, but it might not be the perfect fit. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details on better options and grab your exclusive free trial. Thanks for watching!